Hi, so my name is Deb Seal and I'm an independent director with 31 Gifts, and today I want to talk to you about one of my favorite bags, the ZOUT, or the Zip Top Organizing Utility Tote. This is this beauty. It's one of our current patterns. Don't worry, lots of patterns every season because it's one of our best sellers. So, Zip Top Organizing Utility Tote has 7 pockets on the outside. 7 awesome pockets, right? Lots of things you can put in here. And then a big open zippered compartment on the top. This is made of the same material as our large utility totes. Easy to keep clean, wipeable, laminated, awesome fabric. Inside here, I actually have one of my favorite little tricks with the Zip Top Organized Utility Tote, and that's putting a fold and file. Throw a fold and file right in the middle. You saw how stable it was. Throw folders in here, you make an office on the go. So, you're not using it or not using the fold and file, you can see how easy it is to store, easy to keep clean. This is an amazing tote, used for so many different reasons. I love it, again, office on the go. Teachers, nurses, people, salesmen, people working between 31 consultants, working between different offices, wonderful use for that. Diaper bag, I used one as an excursion bag for a day-to-day trips with my kiddos when they were little. This was the same bag, and then I moved it into my own gym bag. So here's an older pattern, and this is my gym bag. I love it because I can keep my wraps and different things. I can keep different other bags that I need, like for my shoes. And then inside, I had so much room inside this bag. I can keep my boxing gloves, my sparring gloves. Oh my gosh, I have all kinds of different things. More wraps, so much stuff in here. It is a great bag, perfect size, really useful. Use it for picnics, daycares, day trips, overnight trips. Wonderful bag. You're gonna use it for so many reasons that you're not even thinking of this time at this moment. So take a look at the Zip Top Organizing Utility Bag, fall in love with it like I've fallen in love with it, and leave me a review if you love it so much. You can reach out to me at www.my31.com/DebSeal.